Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make margherita pizza. First, let's prepare the perfect dough. Combine 500 grams of 00 flour, 10 grams of fine salt, 3 grams of active dry yeast, and 325 milliliters of warm water. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for about 10 minutes until smooth. Let it rise in a warm place for at least 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Then, divide it into 2 or 3 portions. Next, let's prepare our simple yet flavorful toppings. For the sauce, use 400 grams of high-quality San Marzano tomatoes, gently crushed by hand. Avoid cooking the sauce, fresh is best. Tear 125 grams of fresh mozzarella cheese into small pieces and scatter them over the sauce. Finally, add a few fresh basil leaves and a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Now, it's time to shape and bake your pizza. Gently stretch each dough ball by hand, working from the center outwards, to create a round, thin base with a slightly raised crust. Aim for a diameter of about 10 to 12 inches. Carefully transfer the shaped dough to a pizza peel dusted with semolina flour. Bake in a very hot oven, ideally 500 degrees Fahrenheit, for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the crust is golden and bubbly. Once your pizza emerges from the oven, the crust should be beautifully golden and the cheese perfectly melted and bubbly. For an extra burst of freshness, scatter a few more fresh basil leaves over the hot pizza. This enhances the aroma and flavor. Let it cool for just a minute, then slice your margherita pizza into 6 or 8 pieces. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.